In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Google Tag to GoDaddy website. We'll start right from the beginning, so nothing is confusing. Open your web browser and head to Google. In the search bar, type GoDaddy, then click the official GoDaddy website from the results. Sign into your account the way you normally do. Make sure you're logging into the account that owns the website you want to track. Once you're in, look to the top right and click your profile name or initials to open the account menu. From that menu, select My Products. This takes you to a page that lists everything in your account. Find the website you want to edit and click it to open the website editor. Inside the editor, we're going to add a place to insert your tracking code. Look for the option to add a section to the page and click Add Section. This opens a panel with different section types you can insert. Scroll or search for the category labeled Files and Web and select it. From there, choose HTML. Then pick the option called Embed Custom Code on the page. This creates a new section specifically meant for code snippets, which is exactly what we need for your Google tag. Give this new section a clear title, so you remember what it's for later on. Something like Google Tag or Analytics tracking works well and keeps your editor organized, especially if you come back months from now to update it. Now go to the custom code area in that section. Paste your Google Tag code exactly as it was provided to you. This is typically the snippet you copied from your Google product, such as your tag setup screen. Don't change anything in the code unless you know exactly what you're doing. The editor will keep the formatting intact, and this section will load the code on the page where you placed it. When you're satisfied with what you've pasted, click Done. That saves the section and attaches your tag to this page. If you're editing a specific page, remember that the code will run on that page. Repeat the same process on other pages if needed. If you don't immediately see changes in your analytics dashboard, that's normal. Some data can take a little time to appear. That's it. You signed into GoDaddy, navigated to your site, added an HTML section, titled it for clarity, pasted your Google tag, and saved your changes. You're all set to start capturing data from your website.